From ancient brews to modern health trends, tea has always been a favorite. Discover the health benefits and caffeine differences between green and black tea. Find out which one fits your lifestyle. Green tea. Leaves are lightly processed and not oxidized, retaining a green color and a fresher, more delicate taste. Black tea. Leaves are fully oxidized, which gives the tea its dark color and rich, bold flavor. Caffeine content. Black tea generally has more caffeine, around 40 to 70 milligrams per cup, than green tea, 20 to 45 milligrams per cup, though it's still less than coffee. Health benefits. Green tea, often linked to weight loss, improved brain function, and lower risk of some cancers due to its antioxidants. Black tea, known to support heart health, reduce blood pressure, and improve gut health.